This lodge is convened for the purpose of installing the elected and appointed officers for the ensuing Masonic year 2020. Most worshipful Kapito is one our grandmaster, and we are worshipful sirs, brethren, mga sisters, mga kaibigan. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Sana mga kuyang go for goal. Gawin na nating mas maganda ang ating Freemasonry, ang ating loya. Sana tulong-tulong tayo. Hindi kaya to ng isa, kundi dapat tayong lahat. At pinakikiusap ko, ngayong ang araw ng aking pagbaba at ngayon din ang araw ng pag-akyat ng susunod na Worshipful Master, si Brother Joel Subang. Sana mga kuyang, suportahan natin siya. Kung ano yung suporta na ibigay ninyo sa akin, suportahan din ninyo siya ng higit pa doon para lalong maging improve yung ating church. Marshal, you will conduct most worshipful Kapito is Juan Minor and the Grand Lodge officers proceed into the east.
Very worshipful Brother Master of Ceremonies, you will then present to me the brother who has been elected to discharge the important duties of Master of Islands.
Very worshipful brother, calling officer, I have great pleasure in presenting to you Brother Joel I. Subang, who has been duly elected by this lodge as its worship master.
Brethren of EMON Masonic Lodge number 179, you now behold before you Brother Joel Subang, who has been duly elected to serve this lodge as worshipful master and who is now about to be installed.
You promised to pay homage to the Grand Master for the time being and to his officers when duly installed, and strictly conform to every edict of the Grand Lodge and General Assembly of Nations that is not subversive of the principles and groundwork of Masonry.
Do you submit to these charges and promise to support these regulations as masters have done in all ages before you?
And the power and
Rise, my brother. I will now install you, worshipful master of EMON Masonic Lodge number 179. Very worshipful brother master of ceremonies, to conduct him in front of the east. Worshipful Master, I congratulate you on your ascension to this time honorship. The duties incumbent upon you in your exalted stations are fraught with great responsibilities. Remember that the honor and reputation and usefulness of your lodge will materially depend upon the skills and assiduity with which you manage each concern, and that the happiness of its member will be generally promoted in proportion to the watchful care with which you cherish the genuine principle of our institution. Worshipful Master, it now remains to present to you the Gaben, the emblem of power. In the hands of the Master, they became an instrument of great good and greater evil. Within the Master who bear his lands, and the welfare and prosperity of your lands. The great nation, judiciously in your hands, I am confident it will be wielded for the interest of your brethren. And wearing your hat demonstrates the authority of your position and distinguishes the brother occupying the oriental chair from the rest of the brethren who shall remain uncovered. Worshipful Master, behold your brethren. Brethren of EMON Masonic Lodge number 179, behold your Master. Worshipful Master and brethren of EMON Masonic Lodge number 179, our heartfelt gratitude for allowing us to be your installing team. So in behalf of our team, Jopri Marientos, as our musical director, very worshipful Demetrio Corsino as assistant to the Master of Ceremonies, and very worshipful DDGM Mariano Pagandu as Master of Ceremony, and yours truly, mabuhay ang EMON Masonic Lodge number 179. Maraming salamat po.
The order, the most worshipful Grand Lords of free and accepted Masons in the Philippines. I do now proclaim the officers of EMON Masonic Lodge number 179 duly installed.